Explain to me what in the world is going on here. Are they fighting? Are they mating? Every one is matched up with another one.